In Use. The S50 posted some surprisingly poor scores in 3D Slingshot, Slingshot Extreme, but otherwise managed some decent numbers in our benchmarks, thanks to the MediaTek P23 chip that powers it. The handset was either on par with or within spitting distance of P25-powered smartphones like the Verni Active. Another first for a rugged smartphone is the presence of 3 different unlocking systems with facial recognition making its grand entry. The latter works great, even under artificial light, unlocking the phone almost instantly, but your mileage will vary in poorly lit environments. Speaking of pictures, we can attest that the IPS display used on the S50 delivers bright, punchy colors, although that is marred by the non-oleophobic glass used. Expect plenty of greasy fingerprints. Note that the device runs with Android 7.1.1 rather than Android 8, and doesn't, unlike the S60, come with any dedicated applications like a compass. Benchmarks. Here's how the Doogee S50 performed in our suite of benchmark tests. Geekbench, 904, single-core, 3939, multi-core, 3146, compute. AnTuTu, 83573. PCMark, Word 2.0, 5339. Passmark, 4800. Passmark CPU, 119974. AndroBench, sequential, 294, sequential read, 243, sequential write. AndroBench, random, 74, random read, 19, random write. 3D Slingshot, 75. 3D Slingshot Extreme, 71. 3D Ice Storm Extreme, 7881. HWBot Prime, 4,50.